Hi, my name is Connor Dan, and this is my smart doorbell with facial detection algorithm. First, I will be going over the code, and then I will show a full demonstration of the algorithm.
So now let's do a brief rundown of the code. For here are all the libraries I used, and this algorithm has a few main functions. This first one is the mask image function. It creates a mask with these defined points, and then these points are filled with white space, and then that mask is replaced with the original image, so that we see a masked image with just the region of interest. The second function is this email image function. It sends an email with a certain time string uh, to a certain email address, and it has a specific subject with that time string, and it has email contents, and it sends that image when facial detection occurs. So now let's go through the main part of the code. We establish our email address and password and use the YAG mail package to send that email. And then we initialize some values and the webcam. And here we have a pre-trained model for the facial detection. So when something enters the frame of the webcam, we have a certain confidence to see if it matches this model. Now we get into our big while loop. We create a time string for each iteration, and we also apply our mask image function to each frame. And then we create this blob, which a blob is a collection of images with the same spatial dimensions and same depth, and they all have been pre-processed in the same manner. So here, this blob is compared to the pre-trained model that we saw earlier, and then that comparison has a certain confidence that it matches the model, and if that confidence is over 70%, then we show the percentage of the confidence and we put a bounding box around the face, and we also blur the face here. And then we start a 10-second recording, and once that is finished, we call this email image function to send the blurred face image to that desired email.
Here's the current setup. You can see that the laptop and its camera is on top of this nightstand, and it is facing the doorway. So now I will do a brief demonstration of the algorithm. Over here is my email. It is currently empty, but once facial detection occurs, we will see images sent to this inbox. So let's go ahead and run the code. First thing we see is the masked as well as the original frame. The masked frame has the region of interest here and everything else blacked out. So I'm gonna put this stuffed animal in here. You can see that no human face is being detected, even though the stuffed animal has a face of its own. And that is because the system doesn't have enough confidence that it matches the model that has been put into the system. So I'm gonna walk over here and I'm gonna walk into the region of interest, and when it detects my face and has enough confidence that I match the model, then it'll start recording a video. So there it goes. Now it's recording the video. I'm gonna do some movements so that the video is a little more entertaining. We'll let that run. And yeah, you see that this frame has my blurred face and the confidence percentage right here. So let's go over to my email, and we see that my email has that image with that blurred face. And let's go over to my files, and you can see that the 10-second video, that 10-second video has been written to file on my computer. And there we go. That is how it works.